Okay, we'll be demoing the new Drift King that we just got in here at NC Procom. See if we can get it frame here. There it is. This is the new Drift King 4-channel helicopter. Looks like a light that you can cut on and off from the controller. Does have the side-to-side motion. And it's kind of bashful, doesn't like to be photographed. It's in stealth mode. And cut the lights on and off.